Hello, knitters and makers. I am Lesley Ann Robinson, the designer behind Knit Graffiti Designs. And today I want to chat with you about the two classes I will be teaching at the Yarnover Retreat this October 2025 with the Minnesota Knitters Guild. So my first class is called Elegant Brioche. And in this class, you will be learning the 5 most popular brioche increases and decreases used in 2-color brioche. So for example, this is my Sizzle Pop shawl. This is one of my most popular patterns. And we will be actually knitting a swatch for this shawl. So once you take this class, you will be able to go on and create almost any pattern using 2-color brioche increases and decreases, including my Rebel shawl, which is behind me. That is my most popular pattern. My second class is called Fixing and Finishing Brioche, and in this class it's more lecture style where you'll be learning how to fix common mistakes, how to make your brioche the best that it can be, and basically you can walk away with mastering brioche knowledge. So yes, I can't wait to see you there. Thank you so much.